Hi, Gene Dillon staff. So I'm going to give you a quick run through of how you would run Google Meets. So when you do log into computers, you are going to go to just simply, which I already have typed up here, but google.com. It's going to bring you to here. You should have already logged in, especially if you're going to end up using a computer from the school. So you'd already be logged up in this corner. You're going to go to the waffle. We call this the waffle because it looks like a waffle. If you don't know what it is yet, if we end up posting videos in the future, we will refer to this waffle because this is the house of all important things on Google. So you click on the waffle, and in the waffle, there are all sorts of different programs. Meet is a little blip with a little video recorder. That is Meet. Your Meet might be down a little ways, so you're going to have to try to find that. But it is this little green bubble with a video recorder in it. So you're going to grab that, click on it. It will bring you to a new page. And in this page, you can do one of two things. You can join a meeting or you can start a meeting. You will click the plus right here. Okay. Join or start a meeting. Enter the meeting code or nickname. To start your own meeting, enter the nickname or leave it blank. Okay, so if you're joining a meeting, you're going to type in whatever is emailed to you, or you will be able to just join that meeting from the email. If you're going to start your own meeting, you're going to name it whatever you would like. So if I named it GDE staff and I click continue, now it brings me to this page, which I am looking at myself right now doing the screencast, which is this is what other people are going to end up seeing. Yours might have a little bubble up in this top corner that says allow them to use the camera or the microphone. You're going to need to click allow for both the microphone and the camera so people can see you and they can hear your voice. It says here, no one else is here. I would go to join now and add people. Under here, if I'm looking to talk to Whittington or whoever, all of the names of all the people, you just start typing in. So if I want to meet with Mr. Whittington, I know his name's right there, but I could just start typing in his last name and it would pop up. There's his name, and I would click invite him. So that's kind of the basic run through, but I would say that what you're going to need to do the most is basically go to your email. So when I say go to your email, you can go right back to google.com, go over to the waffle where everything important is, and then Gmail. Once you get to this spot, you guys are going to see my email, but there would be a spot that says join the Google Meet session. It'll say join the Google Meet. So-and-so is trying to call you or whatever. This is where you would find invites. But again, like I said, you go to Google Meet, and even if you can schedule stuff and stuff, so that if there's something in the future that is planned, you will see it here. I don't want to make this too long to confuse people, but I am going to put my phone number and Mr. Whittington's phone number at the bottom of this email. So anything that is needed in the future, if we are removed from the school, then just make sure that if you're running into tech problems, we can call you first via phone and we can figure it out and we can try to get through this together. All right. Thank you guys.